Did your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 just received a new update? Well, I am installing it right now on my device, and while it updates, let's talk about what this update actually does and whether you should install it or not. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more tech updates. So this new update is very small, only 17 megabyte, and no, it doesn't bring any new features. Instead, Samsung is focusing on bug fixes, system stability improvements, and better overall performance. Now, you might think, so why should I even install such a small update? Here's the thing, even small updates are important because they fix hidden bugs, improve battery efficiency, make your device smoother and more reliable. For a fitness tracker like Galaxy Fit 3, stability is very important because it constantly tracking your health data in the background. Now, if you are updating your Galaxy Fit 3, here are a few important things you should keep in your mind. Make sure your Fit 3 has at least 50% charge. Keep your phone and band connected via Bluetooth, and don't move too far away from your phone. Do not turn off Bluetooth during the update and avoid interrupting the update process. Don't press any button. If the updates get interrupted, it might cause sync issues or temporary bugs. Now, let's talk about the downside. Since this update doesn't include any new features, you won't notice any big visible changes. Also, sometimes small updates can also introduce minor bugs, but they are very rare. From my experience, this update is completely safe to install. In fact, I always recommended keeping your wearable updated for the best performance and stability. So, overall, this may be a small update, but it's definitely a important one. Keep in mind, no new features, better stability, and it's recommended to install. And the update is almost done. Yes, 100%. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in the next one.